In front of me is OPPO A5x, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off adaptive brightness. Begin by going into Devices Settings. Now tap on Display and Brightness over here. And use the switcher next to Auto Brightness located under Brightness slider to turn it on or off. If you want to, you can also go into Tap menu and tap on this sun icon located on Brightness slider. When it turns orange, that means that Auto Brightness is on. To turn it off, tap on the same icon until it's black. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!